What's up guys, welcome back to the video. So today we're just gonna take a look at 3 tips I have for you if you want to take cool flat lay photos. So we all basically know what flat lay photos are. It's those photos that we put a bunch of items on a table or wherever and it looks pretty cool. Like, we know you've seen them on Instagram, you've seen them everywhere. They're awesome and I love to take them. So I'm just gonna give you 3 tips on how you can improve yours. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so for number 1, I think this may be like the most important one if you wanna like convey an emotion, and that's gonna be the theme. Like, you have to have a theme for whatever picture you're taking if you want to emphasize the emotion or whatever you want to try to convey. So that can be like, for example, if you want to have like an adventure type of theme, you can maybe put like a map in it and everything that goes with a map. You maybe like a pair of binoculars or whatever. That's just like an example, or anything like that. Just get a theme and it will look awesome. So for number 2 is going to be textures. This is where this gives dimension to the photo. Like, for example, this photo I took right here, you can see the background. I literally just used like a baking pan thing that you put into the oven, and it's quite scratched up and stuff. So I put that on the background of this photo and it looks so much better. Like, it gives it some texture and it makes it look so much better. So that's a cool way to do it. Like, another example, what you can do is if you maybe have like coffee beans or some things that you can just throw around everything in your photo just to get another element into the photo, and this is an awesome way just to improve it. So for the 3rd tip, if you have like a specific item you wanna like highlight in the photo, or it's about that specific item, so what you can do is you can elevate that item by just placing a small box on top of it, or maybe just place it on a deck of cards or whatever. Like, this is a good example of that. So what I did was I put the knife on a deck of cards in a book, so it lifts up a bit more compared to everything else in the photo, and it just lifts it up and it looks really cool. Oh yeah, and maybe a bonus one, if you have like a specific item you want to highlight in a photo, in Lightroom itself, maybe just put a mask over that thing, draw the exposure down a bit on everything else, so then that thing looks more highlighted compared to everything else. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, there's nothing extreme about it. It's very small stuff that really makes this very effective. Like, it's gonna give you great results. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, maybe smash the like button. Comment down below maybe what you would have done differently, or maybe just send me photos you've done. Like, I would really appreciate that to see what you guys do. And you can do that with my Instagram, it's linked down below. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So hope to see you in the next video, and stay blessed guys. Bye. Check it.